Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today I'm going to share with you guys the easiest way to apply contact lenses and also some tips and tricks to make it last longer. Recently, Ttdeye was kind enough to send me some cool contacts to try on, and to my surprise it turned out to be the best natural looking contacts that I have ever tried. There are 3 contact lenses that I will be trying today. So today I'll be trying out their Polar Lights Brown, Queen Grey colored contact lenses and a Supernatural Yellow Green. By the way guys, these are yearly contact lenses. You can buy them in prescription or even without. It's your choice. Mine is with prescription. So let's get started. First, let me tell you how to take care of your lens cases. Usually, when you purchase a contact lens, it comes with a free contact lens case. Mine came with lens cases with some tools with which you can apply the contacts on, and a mirror with their logo on it. Stay tuned to see how you can use these tools. Wash the contact lens case before you use it for the first time. Soak it in soapy water and rinse it well and air dry. Rinse the contact lens case with saline solution before putting the contact lenses in it. I am using Opti-Free Pure Moist saline solution for this purpose. After rinsing them thoroughly, you can put the saline solution in each compartment of the lens case. Soak contact lenses with multipurpose solution for at least 6 hours or overnight before wearing them for the first time. Before touching the contact lenses, wash your hands properly with soap and water and towel dry them. Put the lens on your palm and rinse it with several drops of saline solution. Repeat rinsing process to ensure all traces of disinfectant solution used to soak your lenses is fully removed. By the way guys, this thing is to be noted. Do not put the disinfecting solution into the contact lens case. The disinfecting solution that is used to soak the lenses and the saline solution are 2 different things. Now let me show you guys how to put the contact lenses on. This is for people with no longer nails. Stay tuned for people with longer nails. Put in your contact lenses before applying any eye makeup. Before touching your contact lenses, wash your hands properly with soap and water and take a clean towel to towel dry them. Take the contact lenses from the case. If you have prescription lenses, then make sure to put in the right contacts onto the right eyes. Put the lens on your palm and rinse it with several drops of saline solution. Place the lens on your index finger, open right side eyes and look into the mirror. Pull down the lower eyelid with the middle finger of the same hand. Pull up your upper lid gently with another hand. Put your lens on and blink a few times. So this is how it looks with the contacts on. You can see that my natural eye color is dark brown. I really love this color. I think it looks natural. It makes my eye color a little light, which I really like. Now let me show you guys the easiest way or my way of putting the contacts. This is much easier and much simpler. After rinsing the contacts, take the contacts with your index finger and thumb as shown in the video, such that the lens becomes bowl shaped, and simply insert it into your eyes as shown in the video. This is the easiest way to put the contacts on, and this will eliminate irritation. You can see how it changed my eye color. So this is how it looks with both the contacts on and with the eye makeup. It looks better. I think with the eye makeup it looks much better. This is how it looks in natural daylight. If your eyes feels uncomfortable, remove it and inspect for damage or debris. Rinse with more solution and reapply. Now this is how the Cune Grey looks on my eyes. Wow, I really think it looks so natural. What do you think, guys? Comment down below. This is so different from my natural eye color. Wow, I really like them. Again, before touching contact lenses, wash your hands properly with soap, water and a clean towel. Look up at the mirror, pull down your lower eyelid, bring your index finger close to your eye until you touch the lower edge of the lens. Gently pinch or squeeze the lens between your thumb and index finger and remove it. So now, let me show you guys how to put the lenses on for the people with longer nails. If you have longer nails, then don't worry, it's easy, guys. Nowadays, these tools are available very easily. Most companies give it for free with a pair of contact lenses. With the help of the tweezer, take the contact lenses from the lens case and place it on the suction cup as shown in the video. Pull down the lower lid with the middle finger. Now, with the help of the suction cup, place the contact lens on your eyes. I think this is much cleaner and hygiene than using your finger. So this is super natural yellow green. This is how it looks on my eyes. Oh my god, I can't believe it looks so natural on my eyes. I was a little scared to put these contacts on as it looked yellow in the lens case. But wow, it looks natural. I'm impressed. Okay, so the suggested wearing schedule for contact lenses is not more than 8 hours per day. If your eyes becomes too dry, then you can use contacts eye drop for re-wetting contact lenses to reveal from the symptoms of lens dryness. To take off the contacts, simply pinch out the contacts using the tweezer. This is good when you have longer nails or when you are traveling and your hands are dirty. Remember to always use fresh solution and discard solution from the lens case after each use. Remember to put the contact lenses in the correct side of the case. Right eye on the right side and left on the left side of the contact lenses. Okay, so now let me give you guys some tips and tricks to make your contacts last longer. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my social media. The links are in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. I love you.